Even get to cross.
Good to meet you in the flesh. Well, so to speak. Consider this League-friendly safe house a temporary place to repair your gear, check your mail, have a soda cola. Just don't wait too long before heading out the door. A lot of villains are taking advantage of the chaos Brainiac is causing to wreak their own havoc, and we need every cape we've got. Finding investigations, briefs, and collections provides great insights, and completing them nets you some pretty good rewards. Information brokering isn't such a bum deal, right?
This is Batman. I understand you just destroyed a Brainiac harvester ship. Impressive. Let's see if you can handle hero work on the ground. The Scarecrow has escaped from Arkham Asylum and is filling the East End with fear gas. Ready to face your nightmares? Welcome to a typical night in Gotham. Scarecrow's gang has overrun the East End, pumping fear gas into the atmosphere. They're using an abandoned construction site to distribute fear gas foggers to the rest of Gotham. Shut them down before they panic the entire city.
Don't hurt me!
To help.
Scarecrow's thugs are as crazy as he is, and that's saying something. The more of them you put back in Arkham Asylum, the better.
The gassed areas of the East End are a living nightmare. Gotham Hazmat is overwhelmed. Help them maintain control, but be careful. The gas will make you pick up on the fears of those around you, or create your own nightmares.
Whoa!
Help! Run for your life!
No, no! Let me go! We've got to get out of here!
measure.
Run for your lives!
Do something. Ah!
Get away!
Help me, please!
Help! Help!
Good job smashing those foggers. Scarecrow's gas creates hallucinations from the fear centers of the brain. So strong they can cause trauma, even death.
I've given Dr. Leslie Tompkins an antidote for the gas, but that's not enough to stop Scarecrow's thugs. We have to get the fear gas barrels off the street. Get to their supply depot by the chemical factory. No matter what you see, don't let the effects of the fear gas scare you off.
Barrel secured. Grab it.
Run for your life!
We still got fear gas barrels all over the place out there. We sent hazmat teams to find and secure any barrels they find.
Run! Run!
Run for your lives!
Run for your life!
Hey! I'm one of the good guys! You've got to focus. Don't let the fear take you.
Don't forget to scream.
Get the fear gas to somewhere secure. No, wait! You're not thinking straight.
Breathe in your fear. Live the nightmare.
Hey, watch it! I'm on your side.
Run!
Run for your lives!
Don't forget to scream.
You're alive!
You're hallucinating. I'm a friend.
hallucinations get stronger the more you're exposed to the gas. Hang in there. Once we take out Scarecrow, the nightmare will end. For everyone.
Dr. Tompkins has finished synthesizing my antidote. But Scarecrow's gang is assaulting the area to keep the doctors and Hazmat from helping anyone. Protect the doctors, and ensure as many citizens as possible get that antidote.
Great. Another costumed freak. That's just what Gotham needs. Look, pal, I've got doctors distributing antidote, hazmat teams getting air scrubbers running, and we're after our donut holes in Scarecrow scum! So stop standing around and do something, or get lost!
Don't hurt me! Hey, Woody, you learn your lesson now, or do we have to really get it?
Clean air, here we come!
Help! Please!
We're going to need someone to help administer this antidote.
Help!
What's the matter? Scared? Don't hurt me!
Run! Run! Run for your lives! Ah!
Experiment 79. Likely to want fleeing the Headless Horseman. Mediated thought is replaced with a stream of hysteria.
Not safe.
Run! Oh no!
We have to inject her. Help!
Get away! Run!
Oh, good. You're here to help. Keep Scarecrow's men away and help administer the antidote.
I got this one.
It's not safe here.
Down, damn it!
I loathe violence.
Oh no!
You've got to stop them!
We've got a lot of patients to help, and Scarecrow's thugs are trying to disrupt the treatment. What are you doing? Wait, I have to document this. Wow.
You don't scare easy. And I mean Harvey Bullock, not just the fear gas.
I've tracked Scarecrow's lair to the sewers beneath the East End. Batwoman has gone in, and she's out of comm contact. Not good. Get in there and end Scarecrow's reign of terror.
A new test subject. No need to breathe deeply. Even the smallest whiff of the fear gas will do the trick.
This whole place is filled with fear gas. Get those leaking barrels out of there and clear the air.
You'll never clear the air that way. It's hopeless.
Turn around. Not here. Go back. Stay back.
Crumble under the weight of your own fear.
Give up. No.
Run! Run! Your fears are catching up to you.
Wrong way. You lose.
That should clear out the gas in this area. Now hurry and find Batwoman before she's lost to Scarecrow's madness.
More patience? Excellent! This one has already lost her grip on her senses. So let's begin your therapy, shall we? Fear is such an appetizing food. So many flavors, each one as delicious as the next. Allow me to serve this one packs a punch. Ballistophobia, the fear of bullets and explosives. This one has an extra twist. Better stay on your toes.
Those bullets can't be real, but they'll feel real. Move, move, move! Do your worst.
One of my favorites, Astrophobia, the fear of thunder and lightning. Don't get zapped.
No, not lightning. We're indoors. How can there be lightning indoors? Sounds like pain. Let's break the rules.
Another one of my favorites, Herpetophobia, fear of reptiles. And since we're in a Gotham sewer, who better to represent it than Killer Croc?
Ready to kick them while they're down, or they'll just get back up again.
Experiment 81. Adverse reactions to specific stimuli can eventually be removed from the subject via carefully measured exposure.
Don't hold back.
Here's one that hits close to home. Protophobia. Fear of betrayal. Nothing like having your closest allies stab you in the back. But since yours are so boring, I've put up my own versions. Enjoy! But not least, wait, where's my canister? No, I'm out of gas. No matter. By now your minds are shattered. I'll take you down myself. Get them! Ah!
Scarecrow before he escapes. Shall we?
Don't hurt me!
Like pain? Thanks for your help with Scarecrow. He certainly can mess with your head. I'll wrap up here and then meet you back at the station.
The only thing to fear is no longer the only thing to fear. Now, instead of a handful of heroes, there are hundreds, thousands. Do they think the Scarecrow is no longer a danger? The fools. This is my home. And with all that I've learned and set into motion, they will soon realize the only thing to fear is me! It's good to be home.
You've done well. I'm preparing a warm welcome for Scarecrow at Arkham. We'll be speaking soon. Batman out.